Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are opening more packs in this great foot draft. So far I am doing well, 600 likes. And it's a walkout, everyone. Yes, and it... Spanish, Barcelona. It's Sergio Busquets, and it's old. Yes, I can sell them soon. No Jolo, okay. Oh, I get a icon. What kind of icon? It's a normal one. I thought it was surprising. Okay, English. That's pretty good. Okay, centre back. 90? I thought this was an 80 pack. Okay. Yeah. Technically, this is a pack opening. Then I can sell my cards how much I can get. So I've only got 3 walkouts, that's all. I might be opening the lightning cards out soon. Yeah, the new team of the seasons came out, and I want to get Eden Hazard. If I get him, I'll be so proud now. Yes, Mbappe is now my least favorite because technically Mbappe has got the team of the year. Never Mbappe has got a single team of the year. But in this year, they got it. So did Kante, because Kante got it last year. Yes, so technically this is a new video. Technically I'll be uploading this soon. So, well, not bad, because technically I am scooter-douching out of here. Let me see how much I get. Perfect amount of money, and boom. Yes, what do we get? Ooh, yes, we get a team of the week. Better be good. French. Real Madrid. Benzema. That's it. 88 Benzema. Just a perfect play out of him. Yes, an icon. It's a prime, okay? England. Damn it. About Argentina or Brazil, I'll be so proud. But it's such a... No, I did it got Gerrard. Alright, one more last pack. Yes. And I think that's all we can get. And I got a lot of new cards. Better than last time. So here are new packs. So we got 90 a hazard. 90. Oh god. Yeah. Yeah, all of these are out. So yeah, that's pretty much